Hello Odoo and welcome back to our Odoo accounting series. In today's video, I will show you how to create expense bill in Odoo accounting. If you are managing purchases and expenses for your business, this is an important feature you will use regularly. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, log into your Odoo account and from the main dashboard, click on Accounting module. Click on Vendor from the top menu and select Bills. To create a new one, click on New button at the top left corner. Here, you will enter the details of your vendor bill. Vendor, select the supplier name from the drop down. Enter the bill date. Due date. If you have the payment due date, you can mention it in due date field. Bill reference. Enter the vendor bill number for your records. Journal. Choose vendor bills as default. Now click on Add a line item under Invoice lines. Now product. Select the product if you are into manufacturing or trading industry, or if you are into service sector, click on 3 lines and mention the service description. Now account. Select the expense ledger under which your expense bill will be reflected. Quantity. Enter the quantity if you are into manufacturing or trading sector, and if in service, simply keep it as 1. Price. Mention the unit price as per the invoice. Taxes. You need to mention your GST rate or TDS, whichever is applicable. Odoo will automatically calculate the taxes for you. Once you are done, you have entered all the bill details, simply click Save and then Confirm. Your vendor bill has been successfully created. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay connected with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.